How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly install a glass screen protector on the brand new iPad mini 6th generation. And this right here is the glass screen protector. In the description down below, I'm going to put my preferred one in which I think you should use. And inside of the kit, when you receive it, you're going to receive these things right here. So you're going to receive the cleaning cloth, a little wet wipe, and a sticker to remove any sort of dust specks. So let's go ahead and use these. First, we're gonna just quickly use the little cloth right here just to get anything off of it that we need, like fingerprints or anything like that. And then next, we're going to use the wet wipe right here, which is perfectly safe to use on your iPads, not to worry at all. So we'll go ahead, we'll just apply that layer of wet wipe on there. Nicely. All right, perfect. All right, we don't have to go too crazy on it. I think that's about good. We'll grab the cloth back again, and we're gonna just lay the cloth out, and then we're just gonna dry it off and get rid of any sort of harsh fingerprints or anything like that on there. Awesome, it's looking good so far. And then what we're going to do is grab our little sticker right here and grab the bigger one right here and fold this one up just like that, kind of just hold it just like that in half. And then we're going to go like this, and you're gonna look and see if there's any specks of dust or anything like that that may have got onto the iPad. From the looks of it, it looks perfectly fine to me. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab the screen protector. This little sticker side right here, we're going to peel off. And the little notch part goes on the top, right here where your camera is. And what we're going to do is just align it from the one side, align it from that side, and then when it's placed on there and perfectly aligned, what we're going to do is just draw a line in the center, just like that. And then you're going to see it just expand out and heal completely to the iPad. You can see it slows down a little bit right here. So what we can do once it's done healing on this side right here, there we go, that little corner is coming out now. And then there'll be a little bit of bubbles, but not to worry, no problem. The bubbles that are there, very easy to just push out. So we're gonna grab our little cloth and we're just gonna push that side out right there. We're gonna push that side just completely out, just like that. And then we're gonna go to the bigger one right here and we're gonna push those ones all out. So all it is it's not actually a bubble. It just hasn't healed the sticky part towards the screen yet on that side. But as soon as you put that pressure down, and there we go. You can see right there, now there's no bubbles or anything. It's perfectly aligned. It's perfectly placed on there. We'll push any sort of extra little stuff that hasn't healed. We can, here we go, a little part right there actually hasn't healed. There we go. Now it's all here, healed, and we are perfectly good. That is how you install a screen protector on the brand new iPad mini 6th generation. Like I said, I'm gonna put my preferred iPad screen protector in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or need any more help, please comment down below as well, and I'll be sure to answer all your guys' questions. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.